What's up, everybody? We're up here. It's Saturday at the Hot Zone opening in Hintertux. If everyone's feeling a little bit rough from the Capita and the Pirates movie premieres, the parties last night, we've got the perfect cure for you. It's the session of the dudes here in the park. The biggest of big airs. It's going to be crazy. Let's go check it out.
Pay more attention to their social life and all that than God.
Session of the dudes, winning the best rookie, ladies and gentlemen, was Mr. Rowan Kultas. Well done, Rowan.
Thanks.
Gets his clock, he'll get some money as well. Woo! Winning the best trick, ladies and gentlemen, local hero, Mr. Bernie Stock, switch backside 12. Come on in, Bernie. Well done, well done. There you go, here's your clock. And the best overall rider, it was very close with Bernie Stock, but today was from Belgium, Mr. Sebi de Buck. There you are. Best overall rider. All right, everybody, we had a wonderful day on the mountain here in Hintertux for the Hot Zone opening. The session of the dudes went off. Action isn't over though, we got the bag jump going on, and of course tonight is the party, but don't forget tomorrow we got the kids photo shooting session, your chance to get in Pleasure magazine for the young ones, and also we got the cash for tricks down at the Furnace House. It's gonna be crazy! Phew.